Let's make a bow and arrow. So you're going to start with your bow. You're going to secure your balloon on the tip of the pump. Hold it shut when you remove it, pinch it, and give yourself a tail to tie off the end, just like this. Perfect. Now the other end of your balloon, you'll want to leave about this much room of a tail at the end. Now you're going to grab an empty balloon and you will not pump it up. You will actually just use the empty string balloon to tie it to the small tail that you left on your other balloon. So you're basically just going to use a string balloon to tie it to the end that you left hanging. And now once again, you will tie off the end of your string balloon to the end of your filled balloon, just like this. And now you have the bow piece for your bow and arrow. Now let's make the arrow. So pump up your arrow. You'll actually just pump up a balloon all the way up to the very end. Pinch, make a tail. There we are. You'll tie it off. And now you have your arrow. Now, once you have both of these pieces completed, you made yourself a bow and arrow.